In this video, I'm going to show you how to create different headers for different pages in Elementor. Now, if you've gone to some websites, you discover that the home page gives you a different header, but when you navigate through the website to another page, it shows you a totally different header. So, in order for us to do this, we are going to have to install some plugins. Now, by the way, the reason why you see this double header here is because I'm using a theme called Ocean WP. This has nothing to do with what we are going to be doing. We are going to be building everything from scratch. So the first thing I want to do is I want you to go to plugins and click on add new. And just so you know, this system works only with Elementor. So still type Elementor and search. And I want you to install this plugin called Elementor Header and Footer Builder. It's a totally free plugin. You can use it to build headers and footers in Elementor for free. The other option would be for you to get the Elementor Pro, which costs you, I think, $59 or $57 per month. Let's check it out. Pricing. Page builder pricing. If you don't want to use the system, you can purchase this for $59 per month. That's just for one site. For 3 sites, you have $99 per month. Anyway, now that we've installed the Elementor Header and Footer Builder plugin, you can find it under Appearance, and you see Elementor Header and Footer Builder. Now, when you come to this website, we have Home, we have About Us, and we have Contact Us. These are the 3 pages we have on the website. For the home page, we want it to have a different header, and then the About Us and Contact Us are going to have the same header. So when we come here, click on Add New, and let this be header. Say this header 1, not header. Header 1. And you want to choose the type of template to be header. And this should display on. This is where the catch comes in. You can make this to display on the entire website, or on all singular pages, or on all archives, or on the 404 page. Now, you can make this to appear on the front page. If you have set your home page as your front page, then this is going to work. But perhaps you have not set your home page to be the front page. So let's come to specific page. Click on that, and now you are going to have to specify the page. Just start typing the page, and it's going to appear. So this is what we want. Home. And you can select the user rules. Everybody, whether logged in or out, should be able to see that header. Now, we've published. Let's come to edit with Elementor. Now, we are going to give this a flex box, and we'll choose this layout, the seat layout. So what we want to do is that we want the header to have this background you see here. So I'm just going to use my color picker Chrome extension and pick the color there, and this is what it gives me. I'll copy this, and I want to give this entire section a background. That's the whole point of making 2 different headers, because the first one should synchronize with the home page. Now, I want to add a logo here. Now, there are 2 options. You can choose the site logo if you've set the site logo, but I'm not going to do that. I want to choose an image because I'm going to have 2 different variations of the logo. So I'm going to put that there, and then I want to choose this first logo, which is transparent. I will use it here. And I want to send it is white transparent. I want to give it a custom size of 90 by 90. I will apply that. You see, it looks better. I now want to add the navigation menu. For you to go ahead and do that, to add the navigation menu, go to Dashboard, come under Appearance, come to Menus, and then you can create a menu from here and add your pages there. Add all your pages there and save it. Now, if I come to this header and I search for nav, this is the one that is going to work here. This one, nav menu. When you see HFB, means header footer builder. So that is that. But because of the background is not visible, let's come to layout first. I want to align this to the center. And then I also want to give it a typography of Poppins. Let it be Poppins. And also let it be 600. But then the color should also be white. That is that. And then I want to add a button there. So just scroll. This is button. I'll drag it and put it there. Where it says click here, I'll say reach us. Sorry. Reach us or contact us. And then I want the text to be white. You can align this to the edge. You can also align this to the end. So I want the text to be this color which I picked here. And then I want the background to be white. So I'm going to put this text color here. And then I want the background color. I want the background color to be white. I want to make the typography, I want the text to be 600. And I also want to give it rounded corners. Border radius, I'll make it 20. You can make this to be longer. I'm not going to do that. That's not the point of this video. So you can make this to be more center too. This text is inclined on top. So we can come to the layout. And then here, maybe we don't do that. Let's come to style. And then the horizontal padding. We can increase that for them to be spread out. And then the vertical padding too. You can do that if you want. But I'm going to leave it this way. What I'm going to do instead is that I will come to advanced. And then I will give it a top margin. Let's say 15. You see it aligns it to the center. You can even increase that to make it 20. It aligns it to the center. So if I now go to the front page and then I look at my website, you can see what I have here. So this color matches the color down here. Now, but if I go, this is for the home page. If I go to the About Us page, you see we still have this old menu here. So we can change that. We'll come back to Elementor header footer builder. If you hear the cry of a baby in the background, is my son. I don't know why he's crying. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to add another header and say header 2. Header 2. And then I want to select the template, let it be a header. And this is where the second catch comes in. And I want to see, I want to display it on all pages, on the entire website, and on all pages. And I'll add an exclusion rule right now. I want to exclude a specific page, which is the home page. So I want to exclude the home page. And I want to publish. And then I want to edit with Elementor. I'm not going to build this from scratch. I'll simply copy this. And then I'll paste it here. I'm now going to change this logo to another logo. I want a different logo to be here. Because if I use the other logo, when I'm going to make this background to be white, the logo will not be visible. Now I want the text here to be this color, which I copied here. So that will be the text color, the font color. Paste. And then the background color of this is going to be this color. And then the text is instead going to be white. So I'll do that. I'll put the background color here. and then the text color should be white. What did I do? No, the text color should be this, and then the background color should be white. No, I've made the mistake the other way around. I did it correctly the other time, because we are going to change everything to white. So I'll put this color back here. I don't know why it keeps disappearing. And then the text color should be white. Now I'm going to change this entire background to be white. Let it be white. So, and I'm going to publish. Let's come now to the website. Let me refresh. You see, this is the home page. This is the color. If I now go to the About Us page, you see we have a different logo and the colors are different. So we have two different menus on the same website. You can do this same trick. You can apply this same rule for your footers. So if you got any value in this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on the notification bell so that when I put out videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Also, leave me a comment in case there's anything you did not understand. God bless you. Peace.